Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So you must be thinking that why I am not being consistent with the videos. I have few skincare regimes to show with you guys and the lockdown period has been extended, but I can see that Purple and other websites like Nykaa, they are delivering the product which are essential, but I suggest everybody to order the product that are essential. Do not go for online shopping as of now. If you are really in need of any product, then please go ahead and get it for yourself. Do not buy any product individually. For example, if I do not have, for example, hair serum, then I'm just ordering the hair serum. That is something, please do not do that. Now you all must be thinking why I am looking such normal thing. Yes, I today, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the normal skincare regime which I usually follow. So I just took shower and I'm just sitting and filming the video because there were few mails stating that what you do for the normal skincare. I do not use any products or any artificial products or foundation or anything at home when I'm at home. If I have to go out for work or for weekends or something, I do a normal minimum thing. So I thought to just share my experience, what I do every day after taking bath or shower, whatever you can say, or by chance if you want to just freshen up, then how you freshen up. So I'm just here to share that. So I'm completely barefaced, so I took hair bath today. So do not, first thing, do not use any of the hair drying things. Like, you have a lot of things: curler, hair straightener, and then hair blow. What all? Don't do all those things when you are at the home just to film the video. Don't do this. Let your curls be natural, let your hair be natural. Do not do any artificial things by using hot air or the normal air or whatever conditions and everything you have at home. Don't do that. Leave your hair and let the you know normal air, normal temperature do its work. If you get up early in the morning like 6:37, then after taking shower, please get exposed to the sun. Vitamin C is very 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 important for your skin, specifically the condition which we are going through, that is COVID-19. If you think that staying in the house means staying in the dark, is not the thing. Please get exposed to the natural things like vitamin C and all the other things. Make sure that you go early morning to the terrace, you face the sun, you do few steps of Surya Namaskar if you're not too much into yoga and all of things, but do make sure that you get exposed to the sun. So that I do generally in the early morning after my log out. Yes, I do work in night shift, so at the morning I give my best to get exposed to the sun. So after doing all of that, the first thing is let the hair dry. It will automatically dry because it is summer. And for example, if you see the inner sections are not dry, then part it and kind of make two splits and then let the hair dry completely. Now I will come directly to the topic, which is the skincare. Now I wanted to put to the hair care because many people are still sitting at home and using curls, straightener, hair blower and whatever. Do not use it. It's not required at all. We are working from home. Let it go natural. So here, when everything is done, the first thing I do is I put a normal rose water or the normal water or the normal aloe vera gel, toner, whatever you say, to just maintain the pH balance. I maintain the pH balance because I can see that there is a little bit of difference in the skin tone. So I generally use the normal Dabur, Glabri, this kind of products. You can use the normal toner. I sometimes switch between this Minisoka rose water and sometimes I switch between this. So you can switch between anything that suits your skin. Now there are different skin types. Mine is combination. Few are dry, few are oily. So depending on your skin, use something which suits your skin. So I have three products initially what I exposed to after taking bath. Two I have already shown you, and the third is my DIY, which is a mixture of aloe vera gel, rose water and a little bit of vitamin C serum. It is very important because sometimes when you do not get exposed to vitamin C, you have to take artificial vitamin C drops in your skin. So generally I store this in the fridge. If you want a detailed video of how I did DIY, I will definitely make this. So first of all, I just spray it all over my face. Make sure do not let this in contact with the eyes. Do not make any of the skincare products close to the eyes, which is it is not at all recommendable. So I just do this and I let the skin sit for a little long time, kind of massage it. So sometimes you get bored to massage with your fingertips. So I generally use jade rollers. This is one of the best thing and I cannot survive without this. So this is the jade roller which I always use, and it is very important to have any of this kind of rollers or anything which you can massage your cheeks. Since I have heavy cheeks, I make use of this roller and I do store it in the refrigerator because it's summer and your skin needs a little bit of the temperature balancer. So the best thing to shape up your cheeks is doing this. There are two sides, as you can see. This is the side for the eyes and the under eyes area. It's very important to soothe it. When the temperature is really cool, trust me, it does magic to your under eye puffiness and all of that. So I kind of always do this. So that is something that after doing this step, the complete toner or whatever you apply gets completely absorbed to your skin. After using this, please make sure you wash it back and then put it back in the refrigerator. That will help to make it a little hygienic and better. So that's the second step. The skin is completely absorbed. Now it is the quarantine. You can see the eyebrows are not in place. Do not worry. It's not necessary that every time you need to look perfect. Not necessary. Just be comfortable with whatever skin or whatever features you have. What's the best thing you can do is, for example, if you really feel bad looking at your own eyebrows, the best thing you can do is to take such kind of eyebrow. I have already mentioned in the video how I do my eyebrows. So what I do is I take this comb of the eyebrow and I just push it this way and comb it back, which I don't do usually, but now I'm filming the videos, I kind of did this. And then also you can fill your brows just in case you want to look a little better. So I just fill my brows very roughly. I do not fill it perfectly. So that's how I generally do. It's not at all perfect. I don't do it at all perfectly. But you can take your own time and just do it. That's the normal thing which I don't do. But the next thing I use is a lip balm. So without lip balm I cannot manage. So that's the lip balm I everyday use. You can use a lot of lip balms, and back to back there will be video about what all the lip balms I use, and because they are the saviors and I can't survive without lip balms. I do not use lipsticks in the nowadays, so I'm saving up a lot of things, but yes, lip balm I make sure I do use it every day. That's it. I don't even use eyeliner at home because I somewhere feel not important, but I will be filming the video back, so I am gonna put the eyeliner, and that's pretty much I do. Then the other thing which I do for the body is to apply the body lotion, and that's pretty much let your skin be natural, because nature is healing, and I think your skin also needs to be healed. So let it go for that time. Just in case you have any tanning or anything on your hands or anything, please do use every day the sunblock. That is something which I use. I generally use two sunblocks, that is VLCC and Neutrogena. So this is my favorite, so I kind of apply it all over my tan part of the hands, which I got it tan since my college life, so I use it that way. And that's pretty much, I do not do much. I just finish my skincare regime after bath within I mean not even 5 minutes. Then since I'm married, I apply sindoor, and then that's it. I'm done with everything related to my face, to my body, body shea butter or anything. Now many people must be thinking body shea butter in summer, depend again on your skin type. If you have a dry skin type, you have to use the body butter, and if your skin is really oily, then go for something which is really soothing and comfortable to your skin. So that's pretty much. And I will be doing back-to-back videos, so stay tuned to my channel for more such things. And if you want any of the videos to get uploaded, or anything you want, I will definitely mention in the description box, or you can send me mail, or you can also message me in the description box. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.